Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the natural world and the latest scientific discoveries. I'm your host, David, and I'm excited to share some fascinating stories with you today. We've got a great lineup of topics to dive into, from the latest breakthroughs in lab-grown meat to the intriguing world of water-driven gears. But first, let's start with a story that combines history, mystery, and a dash of science. Imagine being able to sequence human DNA from artifacts associated with one of the most famous artists in history, Leonardo da Vinci. A team of researchers has done just that, recovering human Y chromosome sequences from a handful of artifacts, including a drawing of the Holy Child attributed to da Vinci. The team used a gentle swabbing technique to collect samples from the surfaces of these artifacts, and was able to recover DNA from bacteria, fungi, flowers, and even animals. But what's really exciting is that several of the human DNA sequences they found were related, leading the researchers to speculate that some might even be Da Vinci's own DNA. Of course, more work needs to be done to confirm this, but the possibilities are endless. From art to science, our next story takes us into the world of robotics and engineering. Scientists at New York University have created a gear mechanism that relies on water to generate movement. This innovative design uses flowing liquid to drive the motion, rather than traditional teeth grinding against each other. The team found that when two cylindrical rotors are immersed in a glycerol and water solution, one rotating cylinder can induce rotation in a nearby passive cylinder, mimicking the behavior of gears or even a belt and pulley system. We'll also be exploring the world of lab-grown meat and how a new method using spent brewer's yeast might just make it more palatable for consumers. And we'll take a look at some other fascinating stories from the natural world, including the physics of water-driven gears and more. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David. Today, we're exploring some of the most fascinating and unique creatures that call our planet home. In our previous segment, we delved into the intricate world of scientific discoveries, but now, let's venture into the heart of Florida, where a rare and gigantic inhabitant has caught the attention of conservationists and scientists alike. Deep within the ridges of central Florida, specifically in the Lake Wales Ridge, an ancient landscape born from the highs and lows of sea levels over millions of years, lies a habitat so unique that it's home to species found nowhere else on Earth. Among these is the Florida scrub millipede, a behemoth of its kind, reaching lengths of up to 4 inches and boasting over 100 legs. This arthropod, known scientifically as Floridobolus penneri, not only impresses with its size, but also with its elusive nature, preferring the underground and the cover of night. The story of the Florida scrub millipede is one of isolation and adaptation, a testament to the incredible diversity that can arise when species are given the chance to evolve in solitude. However, this unique creature faces significant challenges, primarily due to habitat loss. The destruction of its natural environment, estimated to be as high as 85%, poses a critical threat to its survival. It's within this context that researchers like Anne Saul are working tirelessly to understand and protect these millipedes. Anne Saul's journey with the Florida scrub millipede is nothing short of remarkable. A graduate student in conservation biology at the University of South Florida, she has dedicated herself to studying these creatures, including their reproduction habits, which proved to be quite the challenge. It wasn't until she meticulously recreated their natural habitat, complete with plants from the Lake Wales Ridge, that she witnessed the miracle of reproduction among her subjects. The birth of dozens of baby millipedes was a breakthrough moment, not just for Saul, but for the entire field of conservation biology. What's equally fascinating about the Florida scrub millipede is its role in the ecosystem. These creatures are ecological champions, playing a crucial part in nutrient recycling through their digestive system. They have a preference for mushrooms and fungi, which makes them quite picky eaters. This unique diet contributes significantly to the health of their habitat, turning plant material into vital nutrients. The work of researchers like Anne Saul and her advisor Debbie Castle highlights the importance of conservation efforts, especially for species that might not always be in the spotlight. Millipedes, though they may not be as glamorous as some other creatures, are vital components of their ecosystems. Their story serves as a reminder of the beauty and complexity of life on Earth and the need to protect it. As we continue our journey through the natural world, we're reminded that every species, no matter how big or small, plays a significant role in the grand tapestry of life. The Florida scrub millipede's tale is one of resilience, adaptation, and the urgent need for conservation. Welcome back to Nature Walk. Today, we've been exploring the fascinating world of science and discovery. As we close out this episode, I want to share with you a remarkable breakthrough that's got the scientific community abuzz. Imagine a material that can exist in a state of condensation at room temperature, defying the conventional rules of physics. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, researchers have just made a groundbreaking discovery in the field of hybrid perovskites, creating a quasi-2D crystal structure that exhibits polariton condensate behavior at room temperature. This innovative material has the potential to revolutionize various fields, from optics and electronics to energy harvesting and storage. The team's findings, published in a recent study, demonstrate the power of interdisciplinary research and collaboration. By combining expertise in materials science, physics, and chemistry, scientists can unlock new properties and capabilities that were previously thought impossible. As we delve into the details of this discovery, we find that the quasi-2D hybrid perovskite crystal structure is capable of sustaining a polariton condensate at room temperature, which is a remarkable feat. This means that the material can maintain a state of quantum coherence where particles behave as a single entity, even at ambient temperatures. The implications of this breakthrough are vast and exciting. Imagine developing more efficient solar cells, creating ultra-fast optical switches, or designing novel sensing technologies that can detect even the slightest changes in their environment. The possibilities are endless, and it's thrilling to think about the potential applications of this innovative material. As we conclude this episode of Nature Walk, I want to leave you with a sense of wonder and awe at the incredible advancements being made in the scientific community. The discovery of this room-temperature polariton condensate is a testament to human ingenuity and the boundless curiosity that drives us to explore and understand the natural world. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.